Well, hello everyone. This is Stacy with Fiery Pit Fortune Homestead. I'm going to show you all a real quick and easy recipe today. We're going to be making a no-cook, throw-together cranberry relish. It's super easy. You need 1 orange, 1 apple, a bag of frozen cranberries, and a cup of sugar. First, we're going to take and core our apples. Alright. That wasn't so bad. Alright. Put this in the sink. And we'll get us our cup of sugar. Well, maybe. Oh, and you're going to need your food processor, unless you want to just chop everything up, but that's good too. Oh, that's just perfect. I guess I better refill the sugar container. There's our cup of sugar. Just to make the apples smaller, easier for the food processor, I'm just going to chunk them up. And we're going to throw them in there. A good friend of mine named Jan gave me this recipe years ago. And my husband is not a fan of cranberries or cranberry sauce, but he loves this. So, and hopefully y'all will too. Alright, now I'm going to cut this little end of the orange off because I don't know, something about the little end I just don't want in there. Now, you don't peel your orange or anything. I'm only cutting it just to make it easier for the chopping up process in the food processor. And I'm probably going to dump this in a bowl and do the cranberries separate because you see how full this is. I'm surprised the orange was harder to cut up than the apple. Alright. Now, I won't make y'all listen to the food processor, so I'll come right back after I got it chopped up. Alright, I hope y'all can see this. Anyway, she's chopped up pretty good. The oranges could use some more chopping up, but I'm going to go ahead and put our cranberries in there. And my cranberries are frozen, so it'll make it really, really cold. And I think since I chopped those up, now these will fit in. Torture y'all with that sound, but there you go. There's your cranberries and your orange, your sugar, and your apple. And that's it. That's all there is to it. You stick it in the refrigerator overnight and you serve it with your dinner. I hope y'all had blessed holidays and enjoyed that. Be blessed.